Hi. Hi. Hot sauce in my bag, swag. Hot sauce in my bag, swag. Hot sauce in my bag, swag. I got hot sauce in my bag, swag. 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 I got hot sauce in my bag, swag. Hot sauce in my bag, swag. I got hot sauce in my bag, swag. Hot sauce in my bag, swag. I got hot sauce in my bag, swag. Hot sauce in my bag, swag. I got hot sauce in my bag, swag. 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 Y'all haters corny with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly in my copy fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make the Texas better. I like my baby hair with baby hair and afro. I like my Negro love with Jackson 5 Maestro. Earned all this money, but they never take the country off me. I got hot sauce in my bag, sauce in my bag, swag. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree, pulling inspiration from TikTok. I picked up these cute little birdies. Got 2 of these. Okay. I picked up this little jar. Right? And I was going to put candy in it, but I don't have the candy yet. The candy I bought for my kids is not the candy I want to use. So I'm just gonna wipe these off. For the jar, I just wanna get like some little eggs. I wish I could get all white eggs, right? That would be so cute. And so I picked up this, but it came wrapped, and I'll put a picture in with this string on it, but I just decided to pop it open because I don't want a carton of eggs sitting up here. So I don't know what I'm gonna do once I buy the candy. I may not buy the candy, because I don't really believe in my kids eating candy, and if you hear noise, that's just the washer. So I'm just wiping these off because they was a little dusty when I opened them. And I'm just gonna put them inside of here. You know, I feel like I could go back and get another container. I feel like I could go back and get one more. That's really cute for this tray. I wish this could just hang and not be like bent or whatever, but it's cute. So I went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up these gold eggs. They're just plastic gold looking color eggs. Really not gold, but taupey like gold. And they came in here with a little thing wrap, but I didn't want this on the tray. I had it on the tray, I'll put a clip in. And I just filled this up. I'm probably gonna go back and get another thing of those eggs, but another thing I wanted to put in here was maybe I wanted to put some white candy eggs, if I can find them, because the candy I have is not eggs for the kids. And so I picked up these 2 little birdies, so cute, right? These 2 birdies. I was surprised. I actually was walking around for a while. I couldn't find anything. I actually had a piece of cardboard or wood that I was going to use on this. I'm so glad when I got to the front, these were right at the front. So I got those 2. I have my white gardenia candle from White Barn from Bath and Body Works, and then this vessel. So I got this vessel from one of my Ross or Home Goods hauls that's on my channel. And I haven't been able to use it, and so because it's Easter and it's white, I said, okay, great, I can pull that out and I can use that. I had it sitting on the floor over there with another vessel, and I just stuffed it with some extra pumpkins that I have. So if you're looking for some creative ideas, I really don't want to lift it up, but it's a tray. It's just really creative to shop your home. I've had this tray for a while. I normally just have it on one of the tables over there, but I decided to change the arrangements on the table so I can utilize this tray, because I actually was going to go to Home Goods tomorrow, which I probably still will,
and I was going to look for a all wood tray, but this just looks a little bit more dressy, and so I think I'm content and satisfied with this for right now, unless I come across something else, which I doubt is just for Easter. And yeah, it's just a good way to just make the house look festive, especially if you have kids, and even if you don't have kids, just for yourself, it just makes you feel like all good inside. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so the reason I got on really quick was I had another package to open, but this is gonna be in another video. But I just have to open it because I need to use it, and I was not gonna shoot another video today. So I'm gonna quickly open this. And see what it is. So it's Amazon package. Oh, it's pretty high. So it came in this, and I'm about to do a, don't get that close to the camera. I'm about to do a Amazon finds video. This is really pretty. It came in this plastic, but it's cute. It has a little baggie that says NYC. Ashton, turn it down. NYC Sterling on it. And it's this necklace. Can you see that? If I get out the frame, you can see it better. So it's hearts, and hearts is my theme. I'm a hearts queen. It's 2 rings on one finger, but they're both hearts. So I'm a hearts queen. So I'm gonna save this for the next video, but I really wanted to see it because I'm probably gonna wear it. Well, I am gonna wear it. I think I ordered 16 inches, they sent me 17. I'm coming, babes. So yeah, I think I ordered 16, but they sent me 17. But I wanted to take some pictures of this stuff. Another thing that I ordered is in here, and it's an Amazon find, so of course everybody already have the Amazon find stuff open. I just wanted to open these so I can tell you if it's recommendable. So this video will be 2-part. Wow, it's wrapped really well. And so this is a small, I don't think I'm cleaning the living room today. I think I'm gonna just go do my room. Oh my God, it's so cute.
My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana.
So I'm headed out. I'm about to package this wig up and ship it. I had these wigs for sale. This one and another one. I have one more for sale, and I'm working on 2 more. So I'm about to do the kids' Easter baskets, and then I'm going to package this up so I can go to the post office. So I'll show you guys that in a little. Cookies from Target. And we got these cute little eggs. And these are like real egg things that you put in the my screen just stopped. These egg things that you put inside of a hot drink. They're called hot drink bombs. Those are cute. This was inside of this basket, but of course I'm not using this. So I'm gonna put it down there because I need loose stuff. If you're loyal here, you've seen these in another video. This is cotton candy. That's super cute. And I have a pink one and a blue one. Oh my God. The tooth is the tooth for me. Okay. And of course, this is Ashton's favorite. So I got these for him. I got 2 of those. And these are their favorites. So I got 2 of those. Okay, so we got grass, of course. And then I got these, but I really just got these to fill as fillers. A set of pink and a set of blue. And I just got them for fillers because I'm nothing in those. I got a piece of ribbon. I got some ribbon. Just to make sure this is nice and bright. Okay, and then I got these little bags. They got, they're like little bags. Bunny bags. Got those, and then I got her a Wet n Wild lip gloss. More makeup for her. Okay, so one little munch just came out. Okay, I have to hurry up. Okay, and so I got some more stuff and some more stuff. I gotta stuff that basket. It's so deep. So I got some more grass for her. Some of our faves, their heads. We love those. And then she wanted Peeps, but I didn't want to buy those nasty marshmallows, so I got the Peeps cookies. And then I got him more gummies because he just loves gummies. So he could take to school. Alright, so I'm going to start, and this is going to go in fast because the munchkins are up. So if you're interested, just keep watching to the end of the video. Alright, guys.
We off the grid, this for my kid. For when my kid, sad kid. Everything we did for the crib, everything we did, how we live. All this smoke got a scent, all that smoke Kevin sent. Everything I spoke, what I meant, never disguised my intent. Lines outside the event, brought my life out the trench. God, thank God, look what did. We off the grid. We off the grid. When I was in jail, I was low-key. Shout out to supporters that wrote me. Full workout and go sleep. You know I'm praying, he carrying both feet. Then we got God with us. He look at me and see God figure. And when I stop vibing, I know that he put me in. I'ma always get the hardship. I know it's demons in that dark liquor. You buy a bottle, small switch up. Everybody turn into a horse. On my pockets bigger and my heart richer. My mind smarter, my grind harder and my car quicker. I'm at her in church, she pray for me, she my God sister. Yeah, I'm only trusting the people I keep close.
Okay. I don't know. Kids be bad, they don't get nothing. What you want, cereal? Go brush your teeth.
I've been brushing my teeth. Yeah.
Okay, you want cereal?
Yes.
I actually have this wig to I don't know how I'm gonna put this wig in this packaging. That's where it keeps those. Alrighty. I'm afraid. Okay, because she has feel like I need to stuff her. Did y'all see her? Let me show you her. That's her right there. And I'm about to ship her out. And that's her right there. I'm about to ship her out. What you thankful for today?
I'm thankful that I'm thankful that this is Easter.
That's it. You're just thankful it's Easter today.
It's not Thanksgiving.
That's it. Not Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving.
I saw this on TikTok. I saw this first.
Show
I
them.
saw this first.
The first thing he wants. What is it?
Yeah.
Same for you. What are you thankful for?
That we're going to eat.
Are you serious?
Okay, to be honest,
You're thankful because you want to eat.
Yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this on my channel, so I'm gonna wait till I get one.
You're gonna unbox it?
Yeah.
That's what you call it?
Yeah.
Unbasket.
Basket, really?
You're gonna unbasket.
I'm gonna do this when I get home.
Okay, so you said you're gonna unbask that when you get back
yeah, on my channel.
on your channel.
Yes.
All right, tell them to subscribe to you.
Okay.
So
Guys,
guys,
the more.
That's funny. Bye. If you see my lights, these are the two lights that I use. Sometimes the light in here is too bright. I'm gonna darken it right now. These are the two lights I use. I don't use any other light other than the natural light from outside. So we are getting ready to head out. There's one person we're waiting on, which we're always waiting on. And so you guys saw the kids, and today is about them. And so we're gonna take them out, and we're gonna take you guys with us. And I just have a straight back ponytail, and my hair is slicked back. And then I have on this linen shirt, about to fall. I didn't wear the jean skirt. I'm gonna wear my mom's belt. This is my mom's belt and my black pants. And the theme is hearts. We have hearts everywhere, on the neck, on the ears, on the rings, and on the belt. And we're bringing mom on the belt with us. And so we're just gonna go and grab some brunch, and we will be back.
We might do something wild up. I feel like we all the grid. This for my kid. For when my kid kids had kids. Everything we did for the grid. Pray for what folks damn did. Only thing we pray God forgive. Thank God for bid. Hit one of the kids. Took off the slid. Look what they did. Pray for the crib. Some say